Today we're going to show you how to replace your cartridge on your shower mixer. First, remove cover plate from underneath. Use a 2.5mm Allen key and loosen grub screw that holds handle in place. Remove handle. Unscrew plate. Using a shifting spanner, loosen remove old cartridge. Replace with your new cartridge, making sure the two pins line up with the top two pins, and they click into place. Insert brass nut, screw in, tighten with shifting spanner, screw in covering, insert handle, tighten grub screw, make sure when replace the indicator plate that the hot indicator is on the left hand side.